A federal judge says Google illegally monopolized some online advertising technology markets. It is a blow to a very key part of this company's business. We're showing the stock. It moved to a session low, down 2% following those headlines. Bloomberg's Kayleigh Lyons joins me from Washington. OK, the judge has given a partial ruling. So in some areas, yes, it says that Google has a monopoly in advertising tech markets, not in others. What is the language the judge used? What do we know?
Yeah, that's exactly right, Ed. The judge is finding that Google has violated the Sherman Antitrust Act, Section 2 of it specifically, by willfully, and this is the judge's words, acquiring and maintaining monopoly power in the open web display publisher ad server market and the open web display ad exchange market. So servers and exchanges are what they have found to violate antitrust laws here. And the judge goes on to say that the court is going to be setting a briefing schedule and a hearing date to determine the appropriate remedies for these antitrust violations. It becomes a question, of course, of what those remedies are, knowing that this is not the first antitrust difficulty that Alphabet is facing, as Google already was found in a separate case to have also monopolized the search market. And the Justice Department is looking for a spinoff of its Chrome browser, specifically in a case related to search. So it becomes a question of whether or not there may be advertising portions of Google's business that also will be looking at spinning off. If that is what the U.S. pursues, the judge is going to consider all avenues. But the point here, Ed, is this is a second big loss for Google in the courts, as they have been found to violate antitrust rules when it comes to ad exchanges and servers. The judge did not find justification of a monopoly for a third market of tools that is used by advertisers to buy display ads. But still, on 2 out of 3, essentially, the judge has ruled against this giant technology company.